To import a Semrush dashboard, start by logging into your Google Data Studio account and navigate to the dashboard where you want to import the Semrush data. Next, click on the Create a New Data Source button and search for Semrush in the Partner Connectors list. Click on the Semrush connector and then click on the Authorize button to connect your Semrush account to Google Data Studio. You will be redirected to the Semrush website where you need to enter your Semrush credentials and grant permission to Google Data Studio to access your Semrush data. Once you have authorized the connection, you will be redirected back to Google Data Studio where you can select the Semrush dataset you want to import. Choose the dataset that contains the data you want to visualize in your dashboard, such as organic search data or competitor analysis data. After selecting the dataset, you will need to configure the data source by selecting the specific metrics and dimensions you want to import. For example, you can select metrics such as organic search traffic or keyword rankings, and dimensions such as date or device type. Once you have configured the data source, click on the Create button to create the data source and import the Semrush data into your Google Data Studio dashboard. You can then use this data to create visualizations and reports to help you analyze and optimize your digital marketing campaigns. It is a best practice to regularly update your Semrush data source to ensure that your dashboard is always showing the latest data. You can do this by scheduling a daily or weekly data refresh in Google Data Studio. This will ensure that your dashboard is always up to date and that you have the latest insights to inform your digital marketing decisions.